Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Natty. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please give this channel a subscribe and give this video a like. First things first, let's check out this belly. I am 2 days away from being 37 weeks pregnant. Pretty low, pretty low. I'm getting there. We're super excited about this video because I'm doing a collaboration with a brand called Chalkola. If you guys don't know what Chalkola is, I'm gonna link their YouTube channel, their Instagram, and their website below for you to check out all their products. So they sent me this cute chalkboard and it has a little easel so you can set it down. They also sent me chalkboard markers in a variety of colors. Look at all those colors. These are super cute. It's fast shipping, free shipping. They also sell them in neon colors, super thin chalkboard markers. They sell watercolors, they sell dot markers, they sell all sorts of fun things for you and your family and your kids to use. If you order through my discount code, you get 10% off. And the discount code is Natalie10. Easy to clean off and do a new project. It's odor-free, xylene-free, and toxic-free. So it's great for you and your whole entire family. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my kids design a little artwork for you so you can see how fun and how easy it is to use and how entertaining it is for your children. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Chalkola's channel. And don't forget to use the coupon code at checkout, Natalie10, for 10% off.
So excited to use these chocolate chalk markers.
What are you gonna draw?
I'm gonna draw like a fox with sunglasses on.
Cool. Okay guys, since it was our first time using it, you have to shake it like it says on the marker. You have to shake it for about 30 seconds or so, and then you tap really fast. The chalk goes to the tip of the pen, and then you can start drawing. So what it says is you can erase it with a wet rag,
maybe a
or paper towel, or use some glass cleaner. So I'm gonna use my Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner.
And then you just, no. And then you just wipe off. Bye.
So guys, go ahead and subscribe to It's Me Natty and Chalkola's channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Bye. Bye. Bye.